look at this beautifully designed 2-in-1 baby stroller with bassinet mode. It's folding infant newborn Pram stroller with reversible seat. It's for toddlers of 0 to 36 months. Beautifully set up, very convenient, well designed. It's a 2-in-1 stroller. You can use it in the high or low mode. It's adjustable canopy and backrest. Folds easily for travel to put in your trunk or take to the park. So if you're looking for a nice stroller bassinet, this is it.